Have you ever wanted to give your PowerPoint slides a clean, professional look with a border around the page? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a page border in Microsoft PowerPoint step by step. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the border. Now head over to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. From here, select Shapes and then choose the rectangle shape from the drop-down menu. Click and drag across your slide to draw the rectangle so that it covers the entire slide area. Don't worry if it hides your content at first, we'll fix that. Once the shape is drawn, you'll see the Shape Format tab appear. Click on Shape Fill and choose No Fill. This makes the inside of the rectangle transparent, so your slide content is fully visible. Next, click on Shape Outline. Here you can select your preferred color, adjust the thickness, and even choose a style like dashed or solid lines. If you want even more customization, right-click on the rectangle and select Format Shape. This will open a panel on the right where you can fine-tune things like gradient outlines, glow effects, or shadow to make your border stand out. Finally, use the corner and side handles of the rectangle to position and resize it perfectly so it frames your slide like a true page border. And that's it. You've just added a border in PowerPoint. This simple trick instantly makes your slides look more polished and eye-catching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to keep exploring more PowerPoint tips to take your presentations to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.